Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make animated cover art on Apple Music. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, when you try to play a song on Apple Music, then it's showing that animated cover art. So how can you turn this on? First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go back. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now after that you have to scroll it down and locate for the Apple Music app. Now tap on that. Let me tell you that you can create animated cover art if you have subscribed Apple Music. So before subscribing guys, what you need to do guys, just simply you have to scroll it down and just simply you have to go through animated art. Just simply you have to tap on that. So from here guys, just simply have to turn this on. You can also choose Wi-Fi only, or you can also turn this off. If this toggle is turned off, then you won't be able to make or create animated cover art, and you can't see animated cover art on the Apple Music. So first you have to do this setting, and after that you have to subscribe Apple Music. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.